I'm making Kathiew, which is Cambodian pho in the Instant Pot, toasting my spices, put it in the spice bag with some beef neck bones, and I also sauteed some Angus beef I had in the fridge, charred some onion and ginger in the air fryer, and you throw it all in the pot, adding some beef broth, and then after that I added water to fill the pot. Look at the rock sugar, so pretty. Add some salt, and then I put it on for 15 minutes. In the meantime, cut up some meatballs, carrots, and celery, pickled some white onion with salt, sugar, vinegar, and sriracha. The pho noodles I use. Opened it up and added everything, and then you scoop out the gunk and impurities from the broth. Guys, I tried to add water with my pot filler, but it wouldn't reach. So I added water. And time for fish sauce. I used the squid one for cooking and the 3 crab for dippy dip. Here is my bowl plated up with a little bit of everything and fried onions on top. And there it is, you guys, with the broth in it, white onions, the sauce to dip your neck bones in. Look at that. First bite. Cheers. Neck bone.